Hi Maker, I'm Julia from Cipriani 3 Design and welcome to Lesson 2 of our 3D printing course for all proud Bambu Lab owners. PLA is the easiest and most fun filament you can use. No heated chamber needed, no strong smells, and best of all, on a Bambu Lab printer, you simply pick PLA from the material list and hit print. That's it. It sticks well to the textured PEI plate at room temperature. Warping is almost zero, even on large bases. Colors and finishes are endless, from matte to silk to glitter. In short, PLA lets you focus on creativity instead of tweaking settings. In Bambu Studio, you'll notice that profiles for Bambu Lab, Polymaker, and eSun spools are already pre-installed. But here's a secret most people miss. In 99% of cases, choosing PLA Bambu Lab Basic works perfectly even for third-party brands, and often gives better results than the generic PLA profile. So if you're unsure about a new filament, start with that preset. You can always fine-tune later, but most of the time you won't need to. Show image 2, Bambu Studio screen with material PLA drop-down. Want to hide layer lines and small flaws? Try Bambu Studio's fuzzy skin surface effect. PLA is made from renewable resources like cornstarch and sugarcane. Industrial composting is still required for full breakdown, but its carbon footprint is lower than ABS or PETG. Recycle your scraps where possible and you'll keep your hobby earth-friendly. So remember, load your filament, select PLA or the Bambu Lab Basic shortcut, and press print. Explore fuzzy skin for that premium layer hiding finish. Have fun experimenting with colors, silks, and glitters. PLA will forgive almost anything. I'm Julia from Cipriani 3 Design. If this lesson helped, leave a like, subscribe, and share your first PLA prints in the comments. See you in Lesson 3. Happy printing!